Hey everybody, CES 2025 Las Vegas is approaching, and on our great Zenny 62 Media website, CES Las Vegas News at ceslasvegasnews.com, we have this post about the Vueroid high-res dash cam at CES 2025 Las Vegas at booth 517. This neat device is, well, it's a high-resolution dash cam that's great for recording driving, accidents, and other work that involves the need for having a car's dash installed. It has AI technology, and you can see it at CES 2025 Las Vegas between the dates of January 7th through the 10th, 2025, and it's going to be in the Venetian at booth 517. You can also buy it online at the website that's actually listed right here in the article, and that goes to the website that has the link right down here at Vueroid, VUEROID.com, and check out the product. More information and purchase it if you wish. It's $399. That's right. CES Las Vegas has the Vueroid high-res dash cam at booth 517. Subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube and bookmark CESLasVegasNews.com.